everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am in my kitchen and I would like to clean this space up before I get to work on organizing my upper cabinets. That's something that I definitely wanted to make sure was done before Thanksgiving, which you are all seeing this the weekend before Thanksgiving. And I've been working hard these past couple of weeks to try to get everything in order. So I've already organized the inside of my drawers and where all the pantry items are, but now I want to work on all of my glass cabinets and you know, just give them a good wipe down and then kind of rearrange a little bit because things have kind of gotten out of place over the past year. And so that's something that I would love to take you along with me to do. You are motivating me, and I definitely hope that this motivates you to get into your kitchen. I think that before you have, you know, a lot of company and the holidays and where other people may be in your kitchen, it's great to just kind of give your kitchen a refresh, make sure that everything's organized in there, and that way you're not, you know, searching for things you don't know where they are, or there may be some expired food or things along those lines. It's great to, you know, figure all that out before the big days. So that's what I've been working on. And also, I just want to welcome you if you are new, and I would encourage you to hit that bell button. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. And also, if you like these kind of videos, these clean with me videos and organizing, please hit the like button. That really helps my channel to grow. And without further ado, let's get into cleaning this kitchen.